Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hello there. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 7th of November. And hey, you know what Saturday is. It's our annual spotter training. Come on now. If you're watching these videos, you got to be a weather weenie, and we know you'll be there. Storm Alert Extreme. We do this once a year, and that's it. And it's this Saturday, the 12th, at the BJCC. We kick it off at 9. We've got seating for 464, and we think we're going to max it out. So get there early to get you a good seat and a table where you can put your laptop or your notes. Brian Peters will be teaching, and we got Chris Novi coming in from Oklahoma City. I'll be speaking. It's going to be a great day, so we'll see you there Saturday for Storm Alert Extreme. And remember, you come to our training, you get to go to the Alabama International Auto Show absolutely free. Check some of the skycam shots around the network. That's the Birmingham skycam. Alto cumulus clouds up there today, but the low levels are dry. There's the Demopolis skycam looking right down the Tombigbee River, and why not look at the Gulf Coast? That's a great time of the year to go down there. November, December, love it. Love the cool season. What a gorgeous day, a cloudless sky. All right, now I got a big trough in the southwest. Hey, this is November, so you know what that means. Somebody's going to have some severe weather more than likely, and sure enough, you can see those big storms firing over Oklahoma and parts of West Texas, but around here, we are dry and mild. Goodness, look at those numbers. 76 degrees in Tuscaloosa. That'd feel good. Low 70s elsewhere. But around the nation behind the trough, it's cold, where snow issues are a problem. Got winter storm advisories, including some winter storm warnings out there for Colorado and Kansas. And out ahead of that, the counties in yellow, yeah, that's a tornado watch until 9 o'clock tonight. Parts of southwest Oklahoma, northwest Texas, that includes Childress, Texas. And we'll look at the radar captured about 1:30 this afternoon. Pretty nasty-looking storms out there. Those things are cellular, and at the moment I'm doing this, we have no tornado warnings so far, but a rash of severe thunderstorm warnings out there. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got the standard slight risk for parts of West Texas up into Oklahoma and Kansas. Tomorrow, the risk moves east. Includes the Arklatex. Highest percentages for severe weather over western Arkansas, southwest Missouri, and east Oklahoma. But there's no severe weather beyond Tuesday, so we don't expect any issues here Wednesday, thank goodness. There's the QPF chart, rain for the next 5 days. Not a whole lot. This is suggesting just light amounts. The lightest on the Georgia border, the heavier on the Mississippi border. But even there, not a whole lot. We figure amounts should be well under 1/2 inch for most spots. And let's don't forget, this is the tropical season through the end of this month. Major hurricanes are very rare this late in the season, obviously. But we got one disturbance that the guys peg as a 60% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone or a subtropical cyclone in the next 48 hours. And if something gets its act together, you know where that's going to ultimately go. Picked up by the mid-latitude westerlies and taken northeast after kind of meandering for 48 hours or so. So no worries there. We'll check the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow. Pretty impressive trough there, digging through the Texas Panhandle. And down below that, you can clearly see why severe weather is a concern. A 1,008 millibar low near Wichita. Could be a very active convective day for Dallas-Fort Worth and ultimately over to Shreveport and Little Rock. But around here, it looks great. Partly sunny with mid-70s. Yeah, GFS is showing 75. That's a warm November day. But Wednesday, you see what happens. The core of the energy pass is well north of here. And the surface low, well north of here, over the Great Lakes, 1,000 millibars with a trailing front and weakening dynamic support. So, yes, a good chance of showers, but severe weather, no. Heavy rain, no. Maybe some thunder, but I doubt it. And Thursday, hey, we turned cold. That's some cold air coming down the pike. That 540 line is down to Memphis. And we're going to have a hard time getting past the mid-50s. A cold north wind, clouds lingering through at least the morning hours, maybe beyond that. And then Friday, we start the day around the freezing mark. We'll be close to 32. The GFS is at 32. That means the colder spots probably hit the 20s. And despite a sunny sky, the high stays in the 50s. And pretty much the same deal on Saturday. We'll start the day near freezing, but the afternoon a bit warmer. The GFS is showing 61. And on Sunday, moisture starts to come back just north and west of here. The high should be in the upper 60s with a south breeze. Go to Monday of next week. Another big trough out west, a week from today. Got a warm ridge over the Gulf, anticyclone there. And down below that, we stay dry. We'd be up there around 70 if this is right. And really, you go out there a couple of days toward the middle of next week, and the front finally comes in here Wednesday. This is Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. But no severe weather with the dynamic support and the surface low so far north. That seems to be the theme for this fall. And, hey, we'll take that all day long. We have had our share of tornadoes for the year and for the decade. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 23rd. A northerly flow aloft, and that looks pretty quiet and seasonal, if this is right. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Weather.